Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, we will learn how to magnify text using Spen in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. First of all, go to Spen. Here, touch on this Spen. Here, click on Add button. Click on Add. Now, click on Magnify here. Just pick up Magnify and tap to the shortcut here. And yes, it is added now. Now go to home screen and go to this S Pen feature and click on Magnify. Now, if you hover over the particular item, it will magnify to 150%. Okay, see here. Wow. So you can read small text in larger. Okay, if you would like to get more magnification, click here and then choose 200%. Okay, see here, magnification is more than 150% now. Okay, it is more than previous one. See the changes. If you would like to get to 250%, select. Up to 300% you can select. Okay, here I am going to the notifications here, and if you hover your pen over the text, it will read big. See here. I am going to settings icon and see all settings here. See here, everything is in magnification. So in this way you can easily use magnify feature using S Pen. Okay, if you would like to keep in minimum magnification, keep in 150%. Okay, the first option. So this is one of the special features of S Pen using in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.